Hello viewers, welcome to Varieties TV. I hope you're keeping safe with your family just as I am. Today we're making donuts, sugar donuts to be precise. So let's get right into the video. We're using dry yeast, so we need to proof our yeast. In here we have half cup of warm water. Into that we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then we'll mix that together to dissolve the sugar. Then we'll add 2 tablespoons of dry yeast, and then we give that a quick mix. Then we cover and let the yeast proof for 10 minutes. While our yeast is proofing, we're gonna get 3.5 cups of bread flour, and then we're gonna sieve that into a bowl. Feel free to use any other flour. You can use hard flour or all-purpose flour or plain flour. Any of them will also work fine. But today I'm using bread flour. And we also sieve 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And we sieve that as well into the bowl. Now we'll give that a quick mix. It's been 10 minutes, and then let's check our yeast. Now our yeast has proofed. It has proofed very well, so we're gonna have to stir this together. Give it a nice stir. Now we'll break 1 egg into our proofed yeast. We'll add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then we whisk this together with a spoon. Now we'll add half cup of evaporated milk, like so. And then we mix everything together, and we set that aside. Into our flour we'll add 30 grams of butter at room temperature, and then we fold this in properly so everything can incorporate. Now we'll add our proofed yeast mixture, and then with a spatula we're gonna mix everything together. Mix well to combine. Now with a clean hand, we need to work on our dough. We need to knead our dough for 6 minutes. So we just keep kneading like so. Now we're gonna flour our work surface. And then we'll transfer our dough on the work surface, and then we continue to knead our dough. We knead for another 5 minutes. So now we'll place our dough right back into the bowl. And then we'll cover with a cling film. And we'll leave our dough to rest for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes, so now we need to remove the plastic wrap. Look at our dough is double in size. And again, we need to flour our work surface and transfer our dough. And then we continue to knead this for another 3 minutes. So now we need to flour our rolling pin, and then we roll out our dough into a circle. If you're new to my channel, you're very welcome. Please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell beside the subscribe button, and ensure to pick option all, all, so you don't miss any of my videos. And please try watch my other videos as well. And to you, my returning subscribers, thank you so much. You guys are wonderful. You are lovely. God bless you. Your support is highly appreciated. Thank you. So here is the thickness that we are aiming for. And now we need to cut out our donuts. So I'm using a donut cutter to cut out my donuts. Make sure to cut your donut very closely to one another. Just like I'm doing. And in case you don't have a donut cutter, you can use a cup. Just like so. And then you will use the cover or cap of juice to cut out the small circle. Just like so. I'll show you one more time with the cup. So you cut out your circle, your big circle with the cup. And then you use the cap of a juice or even a Coca-Cola cap or cover will do justice to that as well. and then you cut out the small circle with a cap, and that's it. Your donut is ready. So then we continue this process till we cut out all our donuts. And then we remove them, and then we place the donuts on a tray lined with parchment paper. So here is our donut. We'll cover our donut with kitchen towel and leave it to rest for 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes and our donut has doubled in size. So now we are ready to fry. While our donut was resting, we're heating up some oil. So to know your oil is hot, you're gonna dip a skewer like so, and when you see bubbles, then your oil is hot enough. So now we're gonna pour some sugar into a wide deep bowl, and then we're gonna start to fry our donuts like so. And then we need to be turning this around constantly so it doesn't get burned. We need to give our donut a whole lot of attention because it's very easy to burn, and then it won't cook well if you don't attend to it. So now once the sides are getting brown, you want to flip over so we can cook both sides perfectly. So we just keep tossing our donuts around. It looks like they're dancing, but yeah, let them dance. And once both sides are well, golden color, we're gonna take them out of the oil. You can heat them directly like this when it is cool, but we want to coat it into sugar just for more sweetness. So please, you have to put it directly into the sugar when it's still very hot and it still got oil, so that the sugar can stay right on it. So we keep shaking. You shake, 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 shake. Shake your sugar around, shake, and then you're gonna take it out of the sugar. So you continue this process till all your donuts are coated in sugar, except you want some of them without sugar. Please, it's very important that when frying your donuts, you need to stay with your donuts because they are very quick to burn and you don't want a burnt donut. Look at this beauty, guys. They're so beautiful, round, and taste super delicious. Now that our kids are home, I beg that you please make them this super quick, easy, and tasty sugar donuts. And trust me, they will appreciate the snack and they won't stop thanking you for it. Try this recipe and I would like to see your comment. Please like this video and subscribe if you have not done so, and remember to turn on the notification bell beside the subscribe button. Watch my other videos as well, and then I'll see you in my next video. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.